is about rain and comfort food. So today I was craving an egg dosa. So join along to make some. Firstly, grease the pan really well. Ensure that it's piping hot. Now add 2 spoonfuls of batter and give it a good swirl, making a thin dosa. Now break an egg almost immediately. Wow! Take a spoon and give this a good swirl and spread it really well. And voila! Add some pepper, sprinkle in some salt and some chopped coriander. And add a generous amount of oil. Now leave it on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the bottom of the dosa turns golden brown. Once that's done, take a spatula and flip it. Beautiful. Now lower the heat and cook it exactly for 40 to 50 seconds. And done. Flip it again. This is one of the simplest recipes with just a few ingredients, but surprisingly the best. Now fold it in and transfer to a plate. I'm gonna go now and enjoy this with some coconut and tomato chutney. Until next time, bye! Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.